Today we're wanting to talk to everybody about the number one overlooked item in estate planning. So many people nowadays are getting revocable trust drafted. We review trust time and time again for folks, and when we review these documents, they're expecting me to find flaws or problems with their estate plan, and frequently there's no problem. Everything looks good. But just before the clients leave my office, I ask them the number one question that causes them to be surprised. And I ask them, have you properly funded your trust? And more often than not, clients say, what are you talking about? And I tell them, get back in my office. We overlook the most important part of your estate plan. When you form a revocable trust and you sign it and witness it and notarize it, good job. You are halfway done with your estate planning. The second half and the most important part is transferring titles of assets to the trust. And if you ever need help with how to transfer assets to your trust, we're always more than willing to sit down and talk with you and show you the little ins and outs. You'd be surprised if you made a list of all the assets you own way more assets than you think. And there's a very particular way to get each one of those assets into your trust. Remember, if a trust is not properly funded, it will go to probate. Your estate will go through probate. So you have to do the funding of the trust. If you want more information on little tricks and tips on how to transfer assets to trust, give us a call. We'll show you how to do it.